Who doesn't love prawns? And why not buy frozen prawns to make your own restaurant quality prawns at home? With the help of Brecco Seafood School and me, Yulani, you can awaken your inner master chef and cook delicious prawn dishes for when the craving hits. And did you know, cooking prawns is super easy. You don't believe me? Let me show you. I've marinated it for 30 minutes in a mixture of olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, paprika, oregano, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. This adds a lovely extra layer of flavor, but is completely optional. The easiest way to cook prawns, and my favorite, is to pan fry them using a tasty combination of garlic, butter, lemon, and chili, if you like a bit of heat. And you only need 2 to 3 minutes aside and they are done. You can also steam these marinated prawns or, of course, butterfly and fry them on a griddle pan. Delicious when basted with a lemon garlic butter and a dash of chili and salt. When cooking prawns, the most important thing to remember is not to overcook them, as this will make them dry and rubbery. The minute the flesh turns from translucent to white, they are done. Like these. See? Oh, yummy! How easy was that? And so yummy! For more delicious prawn recipes, head over to our recipe section to awaken your inner master chef.